So, good news. All your trees are planted.
Bad news, we accidentally made another vortex.
We failed. O'Neill, send us through the tubes. Who said that? Down here.
All of an Otto are puppets?
Juice in a boot. Wow, that is awful. Yep, still bad.
Got some odd activity on the court tonight.
8, 4, 4. 8, 8, 8. 8. 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. 4, 4, 4, 4, 4.
Gentlemen, I'm going to have to ask you to come with me.
8, 4.
Wait, no, come back here! No, hey, no, that's not good! That's not good! Yep, those are exploding hiccups, all right.
Whoa!
It just keeps going.
Whoa!
And watch.
Whoa!
I know.
Is this going well? I can't tell.
Yeah, it's going very well.
Listen, every time I honk my horn, this happens.
Whoa.
I know. Now, you may think this calls for the quackinator or the duckinator, but in this case, I think it needs a little bit of both. Not to brag, but I know a thing or two about gadgets myself.
Pop the hood, sir.
Aha! I think we found the problem, sir.
Wow. Thanks, Hot Squad.
Happy to help.
Huh.